It was only a week ago that Japan was being pummeled by Typhoon Vongfong. Now it's being hit again, and this time by an even bigger storm. Vongfong crashed into the coast of Kyushu in western Japan in the early hours of Monday morning. Over parts of Kyushu, more than 25 centimetres of rain fell in the next 6 hours. In mountainous Japan, that means rivers rapidly swell to bursting point. But the biggest worry is that the sodden earth will unleash deadly landslides. Because of that, tens of thousands of people have been advised to leave their homes and spend the night in evacuation centres, and some have heeded it.
I don't have a car. I didn't want to evacuate in the dark, so I came here early on.
The arrival of Vongfong has also brought travel misery. Monday was a national holiday in Japan, and many people were hoping for a day out. Instead, they spent it stuck at airports and train stations as hundreds of flights and trains were cancelled.
My honeymoon has been chased by the typhoon. I think we would better just go home now.
Vongfong is now moving rapidly northeast across Japan, heading for Tokyo. The good news is that so far there have been no reports of major damage, and the storm is continuing to lose strength. Vongfong is no longer the monster storm that it was just a few days ago when it was out in the Pacific Ocean, but it is still carrying a huge amount of moisture, some of which is just starting to fall now here in Tokyo. And it's really that moisture that is now the threat. As the storm continues to cross central Japan tonight and then on into northern Japan tomorrow, it's going to continue dropping huge amounts of rain. And that means there is still a very real threat of flash flooding and of landslides. Rupert Wingfield-Hayes, BBC News in Tokyo.